Hi, everybody. Welcome to my kitchen. I have finally settled on what combination of software and techniques and equipment that I'm going to use to record voiceover video for lectures. And you should see the first set of those in the resources folder on Sakai underneath I think it's called slides, videos, and lecture notes or something like that. Um, the the thing that is going to be a little different about this is that mostly you're not going to see my face. I'm mostly just going to be narrating over top of the slides and like doing live on-screen demos. Um, every once in a while, I think throughout the remaining weeks of the semester, I will post a little video like this just to kind of tell you what we're doing and where we are. And I don't know, check in with you. We are going to start having some open Q&A sessions now that Piazza has opened up that capacity within its platform. I haven't started using Zoom, and I probably will never start using Zoom after it was reported this week that they exposed a whole bunch of student data recently, and I'm just not comfortable with using a platform that doesn't keep your information safe because I'm not comfortable using a platform that doesn't keep my information safe. And so, for the most part, I will avoid it if at all possible. So, we'll use Piazza for that. We can start doing that on Tuesday. We can do it over the weekend, even. I'm obviously, super busy. I'm sure you all are actually super busy, so I want to make this as convenient as possible for you. Um, what I'm also going to do is, as I produce videos, I'm just going to put them online. Like, I'm just going to put them up on Sakai. I think there'll be a YouTube channel, and that'll let you access them whenever you want. I'm going to do the same thing with quizzes. So, like, when I post new videos, I'm going to post some kind of quiz. Some of them may not have any points associated. They might just be like a way for you to I don't know, study what you're learning, or to as a positive reinforcement for that. But those will all be available kind of all at once, or like as I've created them. I'm not going to wait, a week or 2 weeks or whatever. I'm just going to dump them all out, and you can move through them in whatever time frame you like. Because the semester has an end, but the schedule doesn't really make a whole lot of sense now that we're doing mostly asynchronous. And I don't want to hold you up if you want to move a little faster, and I certainly don't want to make you feel pressured if you need to move a little slower. So that said, go ahead and watch the videos. Send me any questions on Piazza. I can put up a topic for that, and let me know if there's anything else we need to be doing, and we will adjust accordingly. Thanks a lot.